Hey there, guys. I wanted to put together a review about this Braun magnetic slim bar folding rechargeable LED light that you can get from Harbor Freight. I wasn't able to find it on Amazon or eBay for a decent price. They all wanted to charge you extra for shipping, so I ended up driving to Harbor Freight just to get the best deal. The light is listed as $39.99 on the shelf at Harbor Freight, and you can get it for cheaper if they have a coupon available. When I got to the cash register, they had a coupon that made it $32. So that's how much I paid for it. You barely ever pay full price at Harbor Freight, which is great, but a lot of their stuff is crap, as many of you probably know. This light looks like it's very well made as far as getting it from Harbor Freight. I wasn't expecting to have this good of quality for this light. So let's talk about the features on this. So it has an output of 390 lumens. It also has a rechargeable lithium ion battery, which works while it's charging. The battery life is up to 11 hours and 39 minutes, and the beam distance is 66 feet. Now, it also shows here on the box that it can go to 180 degrees and 0 degrees for the angle you can tilt the light. Um, and it will also swivel. Uh, Not only that, it also has a flashlight beam at the tip of it, and it has a magnetic base. You can also see here that the base is removable. You can see that it houses an 18650 battery, which is 2200 milliamp hours. It's blue right there. Um, and let's see, it's made out of aluminum, and you can see the logo there, Braun. The power button there will light up green when you're using the light. And all in all, it looks like a great light for $40. Even if you had to pay full price, I'd still buy it. But chances are you won't have to pay that. So let's get right into the demonstration of this light. I recorded a little bit of footage showing you what the light looks like with the light on, like in a room. And I also recorded some footage showing you what the light looks like with a pitch black room. And suffice to say, it is very bright, and it'll make a great work light. And the other great thing about this too is that since the battery is removable, you can buy spare ones on eBay or Amazon for about $7 to $10 a piece. You can get a 3500 milliamp hour 18650 Samsung cell for better battery life, and just keep a couple in rotation. So you can even buy a charger too, so that way you're never down if you're using this professionally. Uh, I would love to get a second light. If I knew it was going to be this good of quality, I would have picked up two while I was there. So that'll be the next thing that I do if I'm in the area. But it's about a half an hour drive, so that probably won't be for a while. Um, if it does decide that it's gonna crap out on me and it breaks, I will let you know in the comments and I'll pin it. But if you don't see anything from me about it breaking, then that'll mean that it's still going strong. Um, Overall, my first impressions of this light are amazing. Uh, I love it. It's just what I was looking for. Um, so let's show you that footage, and then you guys can let me know what you think in the comments. I'm very impressed with this light. This thing is perfect for working on my car. It'll be nice to not be tethered to a wall outlet. Okay, now this is what this light looks like in a pitch black room. You can see here that the light is not on. I'm gonna buy another one. And just so you know, since these take an 18650 battery, you can buy 18650 batteries on eBay and get a little bit better battery life out of it. It has a 2200 milliamp hour battery, is what it says on the battery itself. Let me see if I can get the flashlight function. See, there's the flashlight function there. It's off. You gotta click it real fast to get the dimness to go down. That's the dimmest setting for this light. So that's the brightest, dimmest, and then the flashlight. So like I said, this light, I love it. Harbor Freight hit it out of the park with this. So I will be going to get another one as soon as I head back that way. Also, the power button there, it lights up green when the light is on. So, good stuff. All right, guys. Hope this helps you guys. You do-it-yourselfers out there, finding a decent light that's not just a throwaway item when the battery decides to shit the bed. All right. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what I can do to make these videos better. I am using my LG V20 smartphone, so this is the best I've got as far as making videos right now. Anyways, I hope you liked it. Catch you later.